This video will demonstrate the wiring of a condensate pump into a 4-wire single-split system. Before we begin, never work on a system when power is applied. Always follow lockout, tagout procedures. Gain access to the indoor unit's printed circuit board. Remove the wire from terminal 1. From the condensate pump, the black and red wire are 208, 230 voltage for power. The purple and gray wire are the normally closed safety circuit. Wire the inline fuse provided with the condensate pump in series on the red wire from the pump. Tie in the red wire with the inline fuse from the condensate pump into terminal 2 on the fan coil. This will provide one leg of power to the condensate pump. Wire nut together the gray and black wire from the condensate pump with wire removed from terminal 1 on the indoor unit. This will provide the second leg of power required to the condensate pump. Attach the purple wire from the condensate pump onto the number 1 terminal of the fan coil. This will route 120 volts through the safety circuit of the pump to the indoor unit. The condensate pump has a required 208, 230 volts for operation, and if the safety circuit opens, terminal 1 will lose 120 volts and the system will stop. Time to purge the pump and reinstall the fan coil's cover.